Today we will try to fix this LG TV. It's an old TV. I got this from the side of the road. Someone got rid of it. The panel is intact, so it's not working, which is always good. I turned it on. I tried to turn it on, but it's totally dead. No LED, no light, nothing, no sound. So let's take it apart and see what's the problem. This is the model number 32LN4920, made in Egypt. So this is it. Since it's totally dead, so the first thing we will do is to test the fuse. The fuse is blown, but we cannot just change it. The fuse is blown because there is a reason. So let's see and try to find what's the reason that the fuse was blown. Is there anything suspicious here? I can see smoke next to this transformer. Let me grab the magnifying glass. Okay, so this is the smoke that I was telling you about, and there was a capacitor here. This one. The smoke is coming out from the capacitor because it's, as you can see, it's blown, and yeah, smoke. It's hard to focus. It's almost open, and smoke went out from the side. So this capacitor is not good. We need to find replacement for this one, and next to this capacitor is connected a MOSFET here, so I took it out. This is the number, the part number. MDF 11N65B. I tested it. I think it's also dead. So I ordered 5 of these, and I have the capacitor in my parts. So let's install them and see, and replace the fuse, and hopefully it will work. So I got these from my harvested parts. They're the same value. This is the faulty one, and this is the faulty MOSFET, and the new MOSFETs arrived. I got these. I don't know if they are genuine or fake, but they are the same model, same part number. Magnet chip, also magnet chip. The font is different, but it doesn't matter as long as they work. Now let's find the fuse that similar and of the same value. This one looks the same. Let me grab them the magnifying glass and read the ratings. Yes, this one is good. It's 5 amp 250 volt. So we'll install this here, put it back together and test it, and hopefully nothing will explode. Okay, I guess what's left now is to test it. Okay, let's connect the main and test it, and hopefully there will be no explosion. We'll leave it like this, and so if there's anything, if there's any smoke, we can see where it's coming from. Oh, we got LED blinking and no smoke. That's good. I can see backlight. I think it's a winner. Let me turn it over a little bit. Yeah, I can see no signals. Oh, it's gone. It's over there. No signal. Great, we fixed it. Let me put it back. Screw the back and everything, and we call it done. The picture is not the best. I think there is a humidity between the panel, so it's not really done. I think I need to take it apart again and remove the panels and try them, because it was outside and probably rain went inside. Also, I'm not sure if it's digital or analog. As you can see, there are spots here. These are from humidity that are inside. I don't know if we can clean this or not, but we can try. It says TV, just TV. I don't know, I need to check the manual. These are the backlight LEDs. So I tried these, but probably I will wash them, because they're stained and this is sticky stuff here. So I washed all the pieces and I let them dry and everything is fine. But later I tried to clean the corners and I moved the screen and it hit one of these metal pieces and it cracked, as you can see. Well, it cracked here. I hit this corner and this one was dead. Well, now everything, most of the screen is dead except this corner. Now it's completely dead. So it's too sad that I wasted all this. Ooh, flicker. Wasted all this time cleaning it and try to fix it. Now it's dead, so we will scrap it. It's hard to work with when you are surrounded by kids. So anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.